Hello guys, so today we're going to take this metal red and we're going to place it down like that. Then I'm going to grab this plate and then I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and put it in the second ring like that all the way around it. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top and attach it into place. Then go ahead and flip it around again. Then after that, I'm going to grab a few flowers. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to attach it to the metal like that around it. So I'm going to put some red, I'm going to do some pink, and I'm going to alternate like that until I do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I grab these round mirrors and I'm going to place it right in the middle like that. Then I'm going to place some candle on the top like that with some candle holder. You could also place lights if you would like it, or you could leave it without it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super simple, and so easy. And I loved it how it turns out, you guys. You can leave it with a candle, you can leave it without it. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. You can also use it to display candy as well. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of these little glass and then I'm going to put a flower right in the middle like that on top, and then I'm going to place a light inside as well. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and place the glass on top. Don't put the light if you wanted to turn it on and turn it off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab a candle holder and place it right in the middle, and then I'm going to take my flower and place it inside. Then go ahead and place another light right inside like that. Then go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue on your candle, and then just place the candle inside just to hold it into place. I also grabbed these cute little beads, and I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it right in the middle of the glass like that until I attach it all the way around it. Then after that, this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so cute, and so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. You can also put a smaller candle like this one. Then you can turn it on and it will look super cute and super easy. And you could do a long candle, or you could do the short candle, or you could do this little short candle like that, and then all in white. I'm giving you a different idea that you guys can do, and then you decide which one you like the most. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of this floral foam, and I'm going to take these square mirrors that they have in Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to put some hot glue in the corner like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my mirror and place it right in there like that. Just attach it into the floral foam like that. Then after that, I'm going to cut a little pieces of the floral foam, and then I'm going to attach it. If you see that you have that little gap, just attach a little bit of floral foam so it can match up. Then put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it to the mirror like that. So just hold it into place, and then you're going to continue doing that until you do all four mirrors around it and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to grab my flower, my toothpick, and then I'm going to place it inside like that, and then just go ahead and fill it up with your flower. You could do different color. I did some pink and red, and also some red and white like this one. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment, like, and share, letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.